Hello, people of Earth and beyond, Spock, Vulcan, other alien people. We are coming to our marvelous tree. Climb a tree day, mystery tree. It's not climb a tree day, it's just a kind of like another episode, kind of. So, today's episode, Epicus Phalicus, the mysterious branch of a tree. Oh, it's been here for 70 years. It just happened this morning, yeah? So it just happened this morning, and Ben's gonna stand on it. So, right here, hopefully he epic fails, but let's watch and see. Just, whatever. Okay, here you go. Let's go, Ben. Woo, Ben! Epic fail, I wanna see you. Epic fail, epic fail, epic fail. I wanna see you. Epic fail! Oh, a little wind turbulence going on over here. Ooh, wind. Whoa, I think my dog bite killed him. Whoops. Alright, let's go check on him, see if he's okay. Whoa, Ben, your leg. Oh my god, Ben. Oh god. Your leg is like twisted. Well, this leg's good, but this leg is like messed up. Ben,